I will speak in English in this video because my followers are from different parts of India, and so that it's easy for everyone to understand. As you all know, it's a time of great sadness for Assam because we have lost a legend, a humanitarian, a cultural icon, Dr. Zubin Garg. He was a musician and a singer and just a great human being. I was thinking, what is the best way to remember a person after they have left us, and in this case, a singer and a musician? I think we should listen to his songs as much as we can, play his songs on the radio, in TV, sing his songs as much as we can, so that we can keep his memory alive even after he has gone, and so that we can keep his spirit alive and let the future generation know about him. Me being a guitar player, I think it falls upon me as a duty to play his songs on my guitar as much as I can. Of course, it won't be perfect, but it'll be a token of respect for Zubin Garg, and it will help in keeping his songs alive.